Welcome to DB CyberTech. My name is Sean, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to manage the basics of your DB CyberTech system. Let's get started, shall we? So let's first log in. Alright, now, we are on the front page of the DB CyberTech Aspectos system. Under the System tab, there are multiple options on the drop-down. The second option, File Management, is what we're going to start with. File management is how files are uploaded and stored on the Aspectos system. What kind of files are there to be managed? There are backups and upgrades. Each of these also has their own separate tab. Backups are files that restore the system to a known good state. In other words, in the event that the system has an issue, a backup is used to return it to proper operation. While an event such as this is very unlikely to occur, DB CyberTech does recommend to back up your system at least once a month so that your most recent data can be recovered. You can just click New Backup to create a new backup, and you can give it a name, or the system will auto-generate a name as well. Applying a backup erases the current system data and returns it to the backup state. Now, there are also upgrades. This is how you upgrade your system to new versions of the Aspecto platform. Upgrades usually include performance enhancements and even new features. Once the new software has been file managed to the system, select Install and then Apply to upgrade. Under the Systems tab, Job Status allows you to evaluate the progress of upgrades and backups. But again, if you are having a problem with a system status, make sure to contact DB CyberTech's technical support and development teams for help. Now, under System, there are several other options as well, including a few restart options. You won't need to regularly restart your system, however, there will be times that you may need to, or the system will require you to restart, such as after implementing a new upgrade or backup. The two main options are to restart production mode and restart the web server as well. There are additional system functions which are rarely used and should only be done when directed by DB CyberTech technical support. These functions include entry maintenance mode, power system down, and even factory reset. Note, if you do power the system down, someone will have to physically power the system back up on the unit. Now, next to System, under Support, there are several options, including System State Reports, Support Connection, Counters, and CLI. System State Reports create a file of relevant counter information needed by DB CyberTech technical support to analyze issues. System State Reports can be named uniquely, or you could simply use the default name auto-generated. Once the report has been generated, you can download it to your local system and then upload it to DB CyberTech's support website for our team to analyze the report. The support connection allows the technical support team to reach your system remotely via secure tunnel. Secure keys are pre-programmed to be paired, and the Aspecto system dials out to our secure support server. Counters provide information regarding the system status and capture quality. Lastly, the CLI, or command line interface, provides limited access to the internal operating system and can be used to validate web interface configurations. Use this screen only with guidance from DB CyberTech technical support. This concludes the management section of the DB CyberTech training tutorial. If you have any difficulties or have questions, please contact the DB CyberTech technical support team via email at support@dbcybertech.com or via phone at 1-800-375-0592. Again, that's support@dbcybertech.com or 1-800-375-0592. I'm Sean from DB CyberTech. We'll see you soon.